My name is Amy Gutschewski, and I am a senior project manager here at Waldinger. I have 4 kids. My husband is a professional athlete. He's a golfer, and my kids all love to golf, so most people know that if I'm not here, I'm out on the golf course watching them. I worked for Waldinger back in the 90s as an intern, and then I think I moved back here in 2012, back to Omaha, and restarted with Waldinger at that time. What I really like about construction is I love seeing the concept on paper, and then like when the building gets moved into, kind of seeing it come to life. Dad was in the trades, he was an electrician, and he always drove me around town and said, you know, I worked on that building, or I did this here, or I've been on that roof. And I find myself doing the same thing with my kids now. There's not a lot of us, especially in the mechanical industry. I think some industries we see a few more women. I always have taken it as a way to stand out, not necessarily an issue. We go to a walkthrough, you know, I walk in and most people will be like, hey, are you Amy from Waldinger? So, I mean, that has always been an advantage for me. We're a community of people who are all, you know, working hard, same goal as everybody else, and I think it's an asset.